Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Whiteboard in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. After the meeting starts, click the Whiteboards button from the bottom toolbar. A new whiteboard will open on the screen. This is the Zoom Whiteboard workspace where you can draw, write, add shapes, and collaborate with others. On the left side, you will see the Whiteboard toolbar. You can use the pen tool to draw freely on the board. You can also use the text tool to type titles, notes, or important information. The Shapes tool allows you to add rectangles, circles, arrows, and other shapes to organize your ideas visually. If you want to move objects, use the Select tool and drag items anywhere on the whiteboard. You can also erase drawings using the Eraser tool and use Undo or Redo if you want to reverse or restore changes. At the top right corner, click the Share button if you want to collaborate with other participants. You can zoom in and zoom out using the controls at the bottom right corner of the whiteboard. Zoom Whiteboard is useful for brainstorming, teaching, presentations, project planning, team collaboration, and visual discussions during meetings. When you finish, simply close the whiteboard or end the meeting. That's how you can use Whiteboard in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.